Okay, so today is a very special day. Not only because it's actually the final day of the year, 2025, as you may hear from the fireworks coming from outside here, from my home office, but it's also a special day because something very special just arrived. I'll get it in a second. It's quite heavy actually, but I'm going to the gym. Look at this. This is the first box of our book, Social Media with Research Impact, which just arrived. So I thought, given that this book is about social media, maybe it's fitting to do an unboxing video. With my understanding, that's what you do on social media these days. So let me go ahead and do that. I have the scissors here. Maybe I should have checked more videos on how to actually do that, or ask my kids for help, perhaps. My first unboxing video. All right. So I'm very excited about opening this box, to be honest, because this has been a long journey. I think we started, it's more than 1 year ago, together with Mike Young, my co-author on this book. In that sense, very fitting, maybe it's the final day of the year that we are doing this unboxing here and receiving this first batch of books. Because it's the end of a long journey. I've been working with social media for many, many years, more as a kind of a hobby that got out of hand, but also with this book project. So more than, let's say a year we worked on it quite a lot of free time. I did thank my family in the acknowledgements for that. I also just want to say a big thanks before I get the book and look at the first copy. Really excited. The first time I'm going to see the actual physical copy here. But thank, of course, Mike, co-author. I think it's been a very exciting journey to do this together. And Routledge, the publisher, and my family and everybody who contributed to the book. But let's see. Let's see. Ooh, that's very exciting. See? Let's see. Oh, that's fireworks, I guess you can hear. Let me get this box out of the way. So we decided to do like a short form book, so it's not too big, not too small. It's beautiful, I have to say. Wow. Quite special to have it in your hands, to be honest. So here it is, Social Media for Research Impact. How scholars can share ideas, build networks, and make a difference. Together with Mike, as I mentioned, published by Routledge. In which we really try to have a different take on social media. So we live in a very fast-paced world. That's also how we start social media, instant gratification, and so on. So we want to sort of turn that around and say, okay, well, we can actually use social media also for more slow paced impact. It takes time to share ideas, build networks, and make a difference. And that's something we really want to do with the book. But of course, I can share much more about it. Just want to have a big first look. The first time actually you can see the back cover. We didn't see that yet. I had an electronic version. It's great. It's great. Very nice. That's beautiful, huh? Very, very, very nice. Of course, I could say now I'm very humbled, but we also make the point in the book that we should be careful with the so-called humble bragging. I am actually very proud of this. And even though this is the end of a journey on the final day of the year, I think it's also really a beginning. So I hope we can inspire many colleagues to use social media in a good, efficient and effective way. Also find the right balance. we'll be sharing, of course, much more about the book and how we approach it. But for now, this was the unboxing video of the book Social Media for Research Impact. Yeah, looking forward to hearing how people receive it, what they appreciate about it. And that's it. I would say thanks for watching and Happy New Year.